Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable dark mode on the Samsung Internet browser on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This option not only reduces eye strain when using your phone at night, but also helps save battery life. If you enjoy dark themes or want to improve your web browsing experience, follow the steps I'm about to show you. So, here's how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Right after that, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Tap them to open the Options menu. In the menu, tap the Settings option. Once you're on the Settings page, find the option called Web Page View and Scrolling and tap it. Now in this section, among these options, find the option Dark Mode and tap it. And when you reach this part, tap the On option to enable dark mode. Once dark mode is enabled, the web page brightness in dark mode option will immediately appear. This option allows you to adjust the brightness level of web pages while using dark mode to make the content as readable as possible. All you need to do is drag the slider to the desired brightness level, and that's it. And that would be the end of this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!